Today I'll show you an unboxing of these SOLHETTA LED lights that I found in IKEA, and this is from the offer zone. Before continuing, I will have a bit of my coffee in my special really nice cup. Okay, now I'm ready. This was used, or I don't know, maybe something was wrong with the packaging, the package was damaged, or maybe it was returned. In IKEA they have the special offer zone where some returned items or damaged packaging items, they are sold for a lower price, usually not that cheaper, it's about 30 to 35%, but I found some things at even 50% depending on how bad they look like. So these are the LED lights E14 SOLHETTA, and this is some kind of code from IKEA. I paid €2.75 for this, and it's 30% less. The normal price is €4, so it's not much of a difference, but since it's just LED lights, I already have a set like this, and I saw this in the offer zone there, and I thought I'll get another one just in case. Oh, it's interesting. This barcode is blocked here. They blocked it because that's the code you're supposed to scan, not this one. So let's see what's inside. There should be two LED lamps. Okay. The as-is products, they have some kind of a special warranty system or for returns. I'm not sure exactly how it works. I didn't really have to return any of these things, and I hope I don't have to. Usually I don't buy expensive things from the as-is order, and you see there is this stamp as-is, and this one is 27K, 2700K. This is warm white, and it will last for 25,000 hours, which is pretty good, and the energy efficiency class is D, not dimmable, and the size is E14. 40 watts, 470 lumens, and the actual wattage consumed for this LED light bulb, it's two actually, it's 3.4 watts. It's the equivalent of the 40 watts LED, and we have two pieces, and otherwise the packaging looks fine. I believe these were returned. It looks like the package was opened. I have probably I did an unboxing of this before, but this is from the offer zone. That's how it looks like from the offer zone in IKEA. And there is some kind of a barcode in here, and even the product code, product information. I think I turned it on all the sides. There's no more codes. Let's see. I don't really have a way to test them now, but I will check them, and I'm sure they're working. I don't think IKEA would sell these light bulbs without making sure they actually work, but who knows. So these are the LEDs. This is plastic. It's all plastic, and the LEDs are in here, SMD LEDs. I could try to open it, but I don't think there's any point to try to open it. 220 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 3.4 watts. That's how much it consumes, and 470 lumens. E14. That's E14 is the size. It's Edison 14, and there is E27, the regular size. I think it's 27, and 14 is the smallest one. There are adapters for this, and I have a few lights here that use this type of socket, so it's fine for me. And some information: IKEA, 31 milliampere hour at 230 volts, 2700 Kelvin. That's warm white, and it's made in China. And that's some more information, and there are two of them. This is the package. They look pretty good. Actually, they don't look like they were used at all. I can't see any scratches, anything on this. I mean, it doesn't look like they were used ever. So probably it was just a problem with the package. Maybe someone was opening it and they had to sell it cheaper. I don't know. But to me, it looks fine. Yeah. That's it. These are LED lights. They are not too low in power, so they are usable as a regular lamp. A reading lamp is pretty nice to have like a low power light, not the most powerful 8 watts or even 15 watts or even more than 15 watts. 3.4 watts is a pretty energy efficient also lamp. Thanks for watching.